Fellas, welcome back to Tailor by Ty. I'm Tythetailor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take in the waist of your jeans. Now, there's multiple ways of doing this, and today I'll be teaching you two of those methods with one pair of pants. How many of you can relate to this? You go into the mall, you step into your favorite store, Zara, Macy's, or whatever, and you see the perfect looking jeans. That'll be great for those shoes and shirt that you got at the crib. Only to find out that the waist is too big. Now, some of us be really hurt about this because the waist is too big, but the length is just perfect. The exact length that we're looking for. So now some of us be like, man, forget it. You know, I'm not even about to buy the pants. And some of us just be like, hey, that's what they made belts for. But regardless, my mission today is just to make your life a little bit better. After I teach you how to do these simple methods, buying pants will be a breeze. No more stressing about your pants hanging off your ass. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is put the pants on. This allows you to determine how much waist fabric you're actually going to take in. There's multiple areas you actually can take the waist fabric in. I'll be teaching you two of the main areas today. One of the areas is the center back seam of the pants. The second area is on the side pockets of the pants. Now, these areas does not have seam lines, so we'll be creating them to help make sure the pants fit a little bit better. Once you put the pants on, all you have to do is now grab a ruler or measuring tape, grab the front button of your pants, and grab the amount of fabric that you actually want to take in the waist, making sure that it fits comfortably around your waist and that it's not sliding off, that it fits just right. So for these pants, I'm taking in 2.5 inches. I'm going to divide that number by 3. Now you might be asking why 3. Remember, we're taking it from the 3 areas of the pants. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab some safety pins. I'm going to measure that 0.83 on all 3 of the areas of the pants. I'm going to try them back on to see if the fit is right. And as we can see, everything's look perfect. Now we're ready to get sewing. Now I'm going to take the pants, I'm going to flip them inside out again, marking with my chalk the measurement that I'm taking in on all 3 sides. In this folded position, I'm going to create a diagonal line from the waistline, wanting to meet back at the center waist seam line about 5 inches down. From there, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and sew a straight line to create a dart. Now, fellas, please take your time when you're sewing through this denim. This is 100% denim, so the needle that you need for this particular sewing is a 116 needle. It's one of the pointier needles for this type of fabric. So take your time doing this to get through the thickness of the fabric. Once you get through doing the back center seam, you want to move on to the other 2 sides the same exact way. Now, stopping here could work for you, but I have clients and they most definitely don't want their pants unfinished. So to make these pants look professional, let's get into how to finish these pants off. Flip the pants inside out again. Now, undo the dart that you just did, but not going all the way down. Once the waist is free, I'm going to free the waistband from the rest of the pants, not completely, just about 1.5 inches away on each side so I can open it up. Once it's free like this, I'm going to resew the 0.833 on the bottom part of the pants, meeting it back with where I sewed before. Now, with the waistband, it's going to be a little confusing, but open the waistband completely open like this, place the right sides together, and measure the exact same width. So for me, I'm going to measure that 0.833 on the waistband, the same as everything else. When that's done, cut off the excess fabric on the dart and waistline, leaving less than 1/2 inch of excess fabric. Now for the semi-tricky part, open everything up so that it's laying completely flat. So you have to open up all the excess fabric almost like it's kissing. Weird, I know, but that's how I remembered it. The 2 edges should be meeting. All we have to do now is pin the 2 edges the top edge and the bottom edge and sew a straight line across so that both lines are completely attached, attaching the waistband to the rest of the pants. All we have to do now is do this same process for the other two sides, and we are done. Guys, I hope I didn't make this too complicated for you. I try to make it as simple as possible. Trust me, but if you follow this step-by-step process, all your waist problems will go away. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe because I'll be dropping DIY tailoring videos and fashion videos twice a week. That's it for me, fellas. Enjoy the day. I'm out. Peace.